Well, hello. Welcome to day 16 of my 1 month challenge for trading to retire to determine if I can earn enough money in 1 month from trading that it would lead me to retire from my corporate career. So let's jump right in. My thought today, as I've shared in the past videos, I believe thoughts lead to actions, actions lead to reality or results. And so, as I went into today, my thought is that I am patient with myself as I learn. This was so critical for me. If you watched my previous videos, I had some big losses last week, and I learned a lot though from them. One of them was just a goofball move and mistake on my part, but the lesson learned is something that I will carry forward forever. Okay, so what actions did I take today? Here are the trades I made. So really, it's three trades, all in the SPY, and some trades were as they were going up, others was as the S&P was going down, and a couple of the trades I started last week, as I mentioned in the last video, and the last trade I opened and closed today. So where does that leave me for the month? So with these three trades, I made, what is that? $4,400 today. So that brings my monthly profit back over 10K. And now I'm at $11,856.97. So great Monday. If you compare this Monday to last Monday, where I lost $4,500 last Monday, and made $4,400 this Monday. Much better. So I spent some time yesterday thinking about what I was going to do today in terms of trading. And, you know, everything I told you that I did wrong last Monday and Sunday, I did not do this week. So kudos to myself for actioning on my own lessons learned. And my learning for today is take the profit. So I should have copied the charts in here, but I was, moving so fast I didn't screenshot them. But basically, um, the first two trades I had put a take profit that was probably uh, so let's say those two, I think the take profit for those two combined would have been over $9,000. But I had a mark on my charts to really look at this level when they got to $4,300. And then they got up to $4,300. And I closed one out, and the other one I was kind of like, ooh, let's see, right? And then that's when the market turned. And so I ended up closing it, I think, at $7. But I could have closed it at like 790 something. So I, lost $900 by just not, taking the profit when I should have, hoping that I was going to make even more. And what I should have done is just closed out part of it, like half of it, and then let the rest of it ride. And maybe I would have made another $400 or $500 or something like that over what I made today. So if I see a profit, I should take it, especially if it's hitting one of my levels and starting to stagnate before it completely turns around on me. But thankfully, I was, watching the trade and got out when I did. Otherwise, it would have gone back down to zero, and I wouldn't have made, um, what I did on it. So that's the lesson for today. All right, I'll be back at it tomorrow. I don't think I have travel this week, so I should be able to trade every day. I need to double check that. And I need to check the news to make sure that I don't get caught up in some big news cycle. And, you know, trades go against me just because somebody's making an announcement about some economic issue. All right. Have a great evening. Goodbye.